Hello everybody, so this is a Zeta nail tutorial, and I'm doing this tutorial because of our centennial. Yes, I am a Zeta. So what we'll be using is the base gel foundation, and I am going to use the top it off top gel to top everything off, and this is from the Beetles collection, and I will be using this Rhinestone Glue. Okay, and if you guys want to see my haul, I'll link it down below so you guys can see, and this angle brush that I will be using to apply the glue, and this is when I put on my my pearls. Okay, you know, so those are the pearls right there. You guys know the 5 pearls, you know, the 5 founders. Okay, all right, and these are the tweezers here to kind of pick them up and place them on the nail, and this is like to pick them up out of the container. And this is the UV light that I'll be using. My nails are already on, as you guys can see. So yes, we'll be using the nice blue Gelaze by China Glaze, the gel collection. All right, and we also will be using the white polish from the Beetles collection. Okay, so this is 100 years centennial for Zeta. Okay, oh yes, and we'll be using this nail brush, not the polish itself, just the nail brush. Okay. All right, so this is Z5. So happy Founders Day to all my W sorors, and I'm sorry, not our anniversary, our Zeta, our Founders Day was on the 16th, so 1920, and it's 100 years. So yes, we are 100 years old, y'all. So yes, and yes, I'm a Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. All right, in case you guys didn't know, so happy Founders Day to all my lovely sorors. And yes, okay, I have a lot of sisters all spread around internationally. Okay, so you know, all right, so that's basically about that. All right, so yeah, so I'm applying the polish. As you guys know, with gel polish, you're supposed to cure after every layer. I know it sounds tedious, but this is how it works. And for the gel to be on, especially if the nail polish is sheer, because it was sheer when it first came on, but I basically shook it up and it was a little bit better. But I believe I did about 3 coats or 2 to 3 coats. I'm not sure. So every time I apply a layer, I will cure it, and you have to do that in order for the gel polish to, you know, adhere to the nails and to look nice and to work, or whatever the case is. So you have to do that, and it also says that in the instructions as well. So yeah, so that's what you have to do. Unfortunately, with gel polish, it's very tedious, but that's what it is. If you want to use regular nail polish, you can, but I like to use gel polish because most of the time I'm in a rush, and so if I'm in a rush and I need to hurry up and put stuff on or whatever the case is, I don't get any smears or anything. Everything is like completely, you know, like the gel polish is hard and is dried, so I don't have to worry about any nicks or anything like that because everything is all good. You know, so that's basically about that. But you use what you can afford, what's in your pocket, what's in your budget, and things of that sort. So whatever the case is. So I'm not going to talk through the whole video. I'll probably come back on to when I start applying the pearls. But basically, this is self-explanatory. I'm just applying the polish and things of that sort. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. But I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I will be back when it's time to apply the polish. And also, I have the gloves on because you guys know I have eczema. So you know, and I don't want my hands to dry out, and to protect my hands, so just make sure, you guys, if you want to protect your hands, you can definitely use these gloves, and I purchased these gloves from Amazon. So that's basically about that. All right, so I have everything down in the description bar below if you guys are interested in these items, so you guys can get it for yourself and do your nails yourself. Okay, so I will be back. All right, you guys. Okay, peace. Alright, so now it's time for the fun part. I'm going to use that glue. And I was a little off frame. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I really apologize about that. I'm looking at it now, but I'm like, you know what? I'm going to put this video up because I haven't put up a nail video in a little while, so it's due time. So I'm applying the glue, as you guys can see. I'm going to do a better job because I see I did a really bad job. I'm like all the way in the corner somewhere, so I really apologize about that. I'm going to do better with that. So please bear with me. I'm going to try to see if I could edit. I did zoom in, but still at the same time my lighting seemed like it was a little off, so I'll do better. But I'm applying the glue, and when you apply the glue, kind of be generous with it because it's going to you know, dry up and stuff like that. You want to put enough to where so the pearls and stuff don't fall off. You don't want to be walking around and stuff be falling off your hands, so you want to make sure that you put enough glue that to hold it. Now when you're applying these you know, the pearls, it could be sliding around and stuff like that, but don't worry about that. It will stay once you cure it. Okay, so you have to cure this too as well. So when you put this on, after you apply the pearls, you have to go and cure it. Once you cure it, then you're going to come back out, and then you're going to apply the top gel and then cure again. Okay, the top gel definitely seals everything in, and it makes everything stay, and you should be good. You should not have any problems of the pearls coming off. And I had applied some other stuff on my nails before, prior to this video, and I have not any problems of the stuff that I applied on there additional to come off. They're like basically stuck once you put the top gel on. So it's basically kind of tedious as well because you got these little, so make sure you have these tools because these are very helpful for you. And so you go apply the pearls or whatever that you're applying to your nail because these things are very small, and they're, you know, and they're very hard to pick up, so you really have to, like, you know, be like, you know what I'm saying. So, and I fast forward this because it took me forever to like pick it up and put it on and adjust it and stuff like that. And make sure that you have it, you know, adjusted to where you want it, because once you cure it, it's not going to move. Okay, and then once you put the top gel on, it's definitely sealed in. So just make sure that you have it to where how you want it. Okay, and that's basically about that. Okay. So yeah, so I'm putting this, I don't know what I was doing here, y'all. Okay, I used the white I used the brush from the nail art, the stripy brush, but I didn't use the white polish. I used the white polish from the Beetles, the gel. I don't know why I did that. So I didn't like the way it was, so that's why I put the pearls on top of there. So I was like, bruh, like, why did it look like that? So that's why I did that. So yeah, so that's why I did that, y'all. So I was like, I don't like that. So I put the pearls on top, so it came out decent, I guess. So yeah, I don't know what I was trying to do. So don't come for me, y'all. Don't come for me, okay? All right, so that's basically it about that. So yeah, so I think after I put the glue on, I did cure it. I think so, y'all. Like, don't quote me. I think so, because when it's on there, yeah, I think I did cure it. I probably didn't show it on camera, but I did cure it, and then I put the top gel on, and then I cured it again. Because if you try to put the top gel on while it's before you cure it with that, it's going to be sliding around, because as you guys can see, it's sliding around. So yeah, so that's basically it about that. So yeah, so that's it, y'all. I'm done. Yeah, I cured it. Okay, yeah, so yeah, and I just put my thumb in there because I don't need to put my whole hand in there, you know. So yeah, so that's basically about that. So yeah, I'm done, y'all. So that's basically it about that. So I don't want to talk anymore through the video. Everything else is self-explanatory. Pictures are going to be at the end. Thank y'all for you know, watching me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope my this is in dedication to my founders. I wanted to, you know, celebrate, you know, kind of in that way. And so I decided to put the Z, use the blue and stuff like that. So I think that's awesome. And so again, happy Founders Day to my W sorors. We are here for 100 years and 100 years more. Okay, so I really do appreciate that. And Z fight. to my sorority sisters. And I will talk to you guys later. Everyone have a blessed day, blessed night whenever you're watching this. And I hope this was helpful. And if you want these items, definitely go check the description bar. And I'll put everything down in the description bar below so you guys can go check it out. Okay? All right, you guys? All right. I will be out of your hair. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm going to catch you guys on the next. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the next. I'm watching. Peace. Bye.